We are now here in Sonia's Garden, located in Tagaytay, and on this area is that children should not go beyond this point, meaning the owner of this place doesn't want any noise, no yelling, no screaming, no running, and we'll have to be quiet. Okay, just take a look, sister. Just a minute. Can I pass? Look at the beautiful flowers, pink ones, and what do you call this, ate cherry? Ayan o, may girl pa.
Gayahin natin.
Anong tawag dito? Water lily ba yan? Look. Just take a look. It's the Sonia's Spa. And this is a quiet zone. See? And from there, you go step, step, step. Many steps beyond sense and Sonia's secret pleasures. Looks so nice.